Nothing will never happen finish for inside this Nigeria where we deal. But before I go start my story, I greet everybody where they watch me. This one, as I carry and come, as if they hot now, they bring and come for now. He get one house there, she go kidnap her or got children. Hey! Housemaid, the kind is one that they do now, they surprise me. And the one where come shock me past now, after this get carried and these people children, she can't decide to relocate. I don't know who born pikin. I don't know who carry pikin dash her. Why be say she can't decide, say she go thief this pikin and carry them go. Regardless say this girl, her name now Precious, and this girl now just 21 years old girl. And I see this kind of young girl. The papa say fine and good, yes. This housemaid don't deal with them. And she they treat these children like saying that she self na their own. They don't even make her lack anything. They treat her like say she be family. Only for them to give this girl money, say, auntie, go buy biscuits for the new children because we say maybe this pikin don't they disturb us too much. Now their auntie go 1 hour, they never see pikin. 2 hours, people never come back. 10 hours, they know. Now there they begin panic. Say, how be say biscuits don't turn to heavenly rays? They don't see on again. Now there these people rush go police station. If now one see, now there not gonna say our Nigeria police they walk. If they won't walk, they sabi walk. Now there they begin do their own work. Come notice say the last location of this girl now for Edo State in Shokona. How person where they Lagos don't relocate when they say she be winch. Disappear reach Edo just like that. Now their police have carried this matter for Edo. Call Edo police say they find this girl say their pikin don't miss so. Before they go see, now there they go see this auntie with these children. She can't even they claim mother say now she born them these children. I don't know if she still say she wear juju for her, but she don't know say the parents they find these children. They even come meet this girl for one woman house. Now then they ask her say, how be say she carry these children from Lagos come reach it? Now there she they claim say now visit now she I beg. It makes sense to her. You won't go visit. The parents no give you access. Okay, carry my children go visit. Now you now come they claim say now you born pikin and now you carry them come for visit. I beg. Now mumu you say they talk to. I be you say that the police they wear polish for inside her ear. Now I make them know they hear we tell it where they talk. But anyway, they arrest this girl with the woman because of say waiting. It be like say this girl don't they plan with this woman to sell these children. Because according to their Facebook chat, she and this woman don't they chat since. And she don't they claim to this woman, I don't know the kind of lie where she tell the woman. Say she they suffer, she they do this one, she don't fit take care of the children. And before we go see this woman come see sympathy on her. Come go buy things, baby food and this one clothes for these children. It be like say now 2 of them come they negotiate on how they go collect this pikin. Now dear police can't enter. They see what all these nannies they on sure say this housemaid and nannies they no go add them to the problem of Nigeria. Because as CPN, then these people don't turn to evil people. They very in fact you're not supposed to fear them now. And this girl she don't get mad. 21 years old girl, you don't they do this kind. And I sure say before, this girl go don't they do worst. You just be said they never catch them. But how you go come out with person picking? And these children say, I just reason say then this one said they be children. And they go they think I say maybe their mama saying them. But some people they no get mind though. Parents when they on side for them, make na they careful. Make na they very watch you again and you will get housemaid, you better they watch them now. Because it be like say now another spirit don't they enter them. How to make fast money and sharp money now all of them they find now. At 21 you don't they sell picking. That means at 30 what you go even sell your whole housemate. Plus the person your mama or plus your papa you go sell all of them. Say because say what you say you won't make money. But anyway this girl might just too dirty. I hope say police go grant her the crime punishment where she deserve because me I don't know what they go give her. I know be an life in prison I be what they supposed to give her but anything where she deserve I pray say they go carry and give her. My people now here I go end this matter. If you get anything talk about this one what I just hear now make na write am inside the comment section. Make na stay tuned for our next story.